Hi guys, my name is Andy and welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video, and in this video we'll be speaking about affiliate marketing 101. As you know, this channel is based around affiliate marketing for the newbie, and today what we'll be looking at is what is affiliate marketing. This and more information coming up. Did you know that 3/4 of all transactions that are carried out on the internet, also all goods and services that are sold and transacted, are done by people on behalf of other individuals and companies? This process is called affiliate marketing. An affiliate is simply a person who sells goods or services on behalf of another person or company. As a result, this individual, the affiliate, he gets a percentage of that item when it is sold, a percentage of the proceeds of that item when it is sold. Of course, to no extra cost to the individual making the purchase. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest and easiest ways that you could start off a home-based business, right? It's one of the easiest ways, one of the fastest ways that you could start off making income from home. Also, there's no limit as to the amount of money you can make as an affiliate, right? It all depends on how much work you're willing to push to get to that place. I want us to understand something also, that everyone does affiliate marketing. The big guys out there do it, and if you're anyone online, if you've been online for any amount of time, you will come to understand that basically all those guys, those big YouTubers who are out there, they are involved in affiliate marketing. If you go down in the description after they present you with a product, maybe a drone or camera or whatever it is, in the description you will see some funny looking links, right? These are links to either Amazon or some other website where the offer is. And later on in another video, as we go through this series, in another video we'll be speaking about Amazon marketing. And also, as you know, what we will be doing here is presenting different ways that you could get involved into affiliate marketing. Also, I'll be presenting in another video different affiliate programs that you could get involved in, because there are programs, there are individual offers, and almost all big companies out there are involved in an affiliate, or they have an affiliate program. They may call it affiliate program or associates program or partner program, but basically it is the same thing. Someone coming to the website, signing up and getting involved in that site, promoting items from that site and making a commission from the items that are sold. There are so many ways you could make money in affiliate marketing, right? So many different strategies that you could use. You just have to choose your preferred strategy. And something else I would like to highlight, right? That there are many business opportunities out there that are very risky, but with affiliate marketing, the risk is very, very low. Why? Because it is little to no startup cost to the affiliate, to you, all right? So when you come in, you basically don't have to spend any money or very little money. So the risk as it relates to affiliate marketing, this business opportunity, or this business model, it is very, very low risk to the affiliate. And the potential is huge, all right? You could go out and do your research and you will see the potential in affiliate marketing. Let's look at the flexibility. Some may choose to go the way of blogging, all right? Some may choose to start off a channel. Some may choose to start off a website. The commissions from affiliate marketing comes around the clock, all right? You could be in your sleep. Once you have your offer and you know how to promote it and you do it well, you could be making money in your sleep, and the commission comes round the clock. 24 hours you could be selling. You understand? You have to do it right, do it once, and boom, you're in the green. You're making money. Anyone can do affiliate marketing. Anyone, anywhere, at any time. You could do affiliate marketing. You could live, or you could realize your how I heard one affiliate term it, the .com dream. others call it a laptop lifestyle. So you could actually do this from anywhere. Once you set up certain things, you know, as it relates to your offer, and we'll be discussing that in other videos, like I said, because on this channel I'll be looking at different tools that you could use as it relates to affiliate marketing, and you could really scale up your business by using those tools. And you can do so, you could automate all those things, and you know, it could be making money for you for a very long time. So the commission comes around the clock, and you can do it and anyone can do it from anywhere in the world at any time. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. So basically, you're your own boss. You can live anywhere you want to live. You can wake up at any time you want to wake up. But I want you to understand something. Like in anything else, guys, you must put in the work. All right? I don't want to sound like I'm telling you, hey, you come in and then you don't have to do any work and everything is free and you'll make money, and you just come in, you promote this one item, you just do it any old way, and then you'll be making money, you'll become a millionaire overnight. No. Every business, whether it be brick and mortar or online, it takes some work. All right, so if you're willing to put in the work, you can realize your dream as an affiliate marketer. You could live anywhere in the world you want to live. You could do that business anytime you want to do it, but you must put in the work. Okay, this is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and tick the bell icon in case you have not done so yet, so you could be notified whenever I upload a video. And remember, the content of this channel will be money making money online. I mean, affiliate marketing. All right, so like this video if you like it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.